Hi everyone, my name is Philip and welcome to my channel. I recently ordered a MiningCave 8 GPU rig kit. Shortly after ordering, when the order shipped, they sent me an email with a PDF that contained all unboxing instructions. That box has now arrived, so let's move on and unbox it. The rig kit arrived in a brown box, branded. It's well packaged, so let's start trying to get this out now. Okay, there's a little piece of protective foam. Let's see, that looks like a USB to SATA adapter. Okay, that's a PCI riser. Okay, these are the same instructions I got in the PDF, the installation guide. Have a quick look through some of these. There's a little troubleshooting section. Instructions about various things if something isn't working. It's quite comprehensive. Okay, next step. Okay, we've got one of these power on adapters. So to make the a power supply, I think the power button is pressed. Okay, the next bit comes out in one big piece. Lifting the GPU rig out of the package with one hand trying to do the camera is impossible. So I've just skipped forward and I've taken this out of its brown paper box. It's well packaged all over. On the side you can see a couple of the components. I ordered this one with the 2000 watt power supply. You can see all the cords bundled up. Okay, let me get rid of all of the screen wrapping and then come back. I've got the outer packaging off now. I'm quite impressed with how light it is at the moment. It must be because of all the aluminium framing. While I was taking off the outer packaging, I had two screws fall out, so I'm not quite sure where they are, but I'll just put them to one side. You can see all the main components are strapped down as well, so we'll get that strapping cut off. I can see there's a little packet of screws just up here in the top right hand corner, so we'll get these all detached. Everything is very well packaged. Okay, that's similar to the screws that sort of fell out from the main box. So let's carry on. Step one of the instructions are to cut the tie wraps, so cable ties. So cut those off, release the power cords. Okay, after a bit of a search, I found where those two screws had come from. They were ones that go into the motherboard standoff. So there was one that had come out here, and then another one had come out down the very back. So I'll put those back in. I've also just done a general check over for any other loose bits, but everything is tight and screwed in, and there's no missing holes where screws should go. So it's all looking good now. Okay, for an unboxing video, I think I might stop there, as you're going to have different GPUs than me. So I'll just concentrate on the aspects of the rig. So some of the things I like is how all the PCI risers are actually screwed down, and plugging into this frame should be like plugging into a motherboard. All of the GPU risers already have all of the, right, apart from this one, already have all their power cords plugged in. All right, and these two are missing. Let's just plug these two in. All right, some of the USB leads are a little bit displaced. That's probably just been a shipping thing that's caused that to happen. All the cords are very nicely restrained, and they're all exactly the right length. So yeah, all the PCI riser's got the connectors, and so you've got 8 more power feeds, one for each slot, and each power feed has got dual 8-pin connectors. They're the style that's got the that you can slide off if you've got a 6-pin connector card instead. The power supply is a 2000 watt 90 plus gold rated power supply. You can see the power supply is screwed into this frame, and there's a gap and 2 more holes, so you could mount another power supply as well. So that concludes my unboxing video, so I hope you found that useful. That was the MiningCave 8 GPU rig kit.